welcome back. My name is Mac Rogers, bringing you the latest Eastbay real estate market report for August 2023. If you're curious about the current state of the Eastbay housing market, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the details of what's been happening in the Eastbay. Market dynamics are changing. In comparison to June, potential buyers had more options this month. However, it's worth noting that the number of homes available on the market is approximately half of what it was in July of 2022. This influx of listings over the past 6 months has brought about a blend of effects. While prices have experienced a dip compared to June, they have shown modest increase from July of 2022. Despite this, prices are still far from the peak levels we saw last spring. Interestingly, despite the increase in inventory for buyers, sales figures for July were lower, meaning I think buyers are just scared right now. Let's take a closer look at the local dynamics, starting with the 880 corridor. Excluding Albany, inventory levels have significantly decreased when compared to last July. The cities of CalBRE, Fremont, Newark, and Union City have all seen drops of over 70% in homes for sale. Prices have exhibited a downward trend overall, with Albany and Newark experiencing nearly a 20% decrease in comparison to last July. Sales figure for cities such as Castro Valley, Hayward, and Union City have shown mixed results, while Alameda, Albany, and Oakland reported drops exceeding 30%. Moving on to West Contra, Costa County, we see that there's a notable decrease in homes for sale, particularly in Richmond, where inventory levels are down by over 50%. Prices have displayed mixed trends, with El Cerrito showing a 19% increase to almost 1.4 million, while Richmond has also increased to 715,000. Sales figures have been mostly down, with El Cerrito showing a nearly 50% decline. Moving on to Central Contra, Costa County. Central Contra, Costa County has also seen a decrease in homes for sale, especially in Concord, down 68%, and Walnut Creek, down 41%. Prices in this area have shown mixed trends, with Clayton experiencing an increase of over 20% to 1.32 million, whereas both Martinez and Walnut Creek have experienced a 9% drop. Sales in the region have generally been on a downward trajectory, with most cities reporting fewer sales. Next on our radar is Orinda, where the number of homes for sale has experienced a decline compared to last July. Prices in this area have shown a mixed trend, with fewer options available, resulting in an upward push on prices to reach 2.5 million in Orinda. Sales figure in Orinda have been mixed of ups and downs. Lafayette dropped over 30% in sales, with a total of 19 properties sold. Orinda, on the other hand, has maintained a steady status with no significant change from the previous July. Moving on to the TriValley area, the number of homes for sale has decreased significantly, particularly in Dublin, where inventory levels are down by 80%. Prices have been mixed, with Livermore experiencing a 4% decrease to 1.1 million, while Danville, Pleasanton, and San Ramon have shown varied trends. Sales in this region have mostly decreased, with Dublin showing a more than 30% decline. Moving on to the Delta region, let's wrap this market report. The number of homes for sale has seen a decline across the area. In Oakley and Pittsburgh, inventory levels have dropped by more than 50%. Prices have shown a mixed pattern, experiencing slight fluctuations both upward and downward. In terms of sales, there has been a decrease in most areas. Antioch and Brentwood in particular have both faced a 40% drop compared to the previous July. As we conclude our overview, it's important to note that historically, the month of July marks a slowdown in real estate markets. However, the rise in inventory and the potential for price stability suggests the possibility of increased activity during late summer or early fall. Stay tuned for our next update as we continue to track the ever-evolving Eastbay real estate market.